What's up, everyone? So this is a new project that I'm gonna be working on. It's a hand grinder, high power hand grinder by Chicago Wheel MFG. I tried to look online for it to see if I can find any kind of manuals about it, but unfortunately I couldn't, except on VintageMachinery.com. I found 2 PDF files as far as that was related to the drill bits and also the grinder itself. So there were 2. One was from 1942 and the other one was 1955. So I'm guessing, based on those and what I'm seeing here, it's around the same area, so it's kind of correct. The only thing that is missing is a hand grip in here. Based on those pictures, looks like there used to be piece of like leather in here that you could hold on your hand to it. It's in working condition, but it's too beat up, especially the wiring is not safe, so I gotta change the wire, open it up, clean it. I bought it from a mechanic. He was selling it for $30 US. And another thing that I think I am going to add to it is a switch, because it just connects. As soon as you connect it to the outlet, automatically it starts working. So that's one problem. I don't like it like that. And let me just show you guys how it runs. It seems to be very powerful. It says that the maximum speed is 17,000. That seems about right too, because it doesn't have that much vibration, but so fast that you can kind of feel it. And as far as the wood, the box itself goes, it's a really nice box. I love it. I can't wait to polish this and clean it up. You see, it has these small, I don't know what they're called, I think they're dovetail, but I tried to make one of these, I couldn't, and I think it's gonna look good after I'm done with it. And another problem that I had was this logo or piece of paper, and it's so old. See, you can crack it, and that's the only thing. I don't know how to copy and remake it, recopy it, or reprint it and put it back in here. But overall, I'm very excited about this. Let's see what's gonna happen. Thanks. There you go. Wow, that's a long shaft. What's going on, everyone? Just wanted to talk about some safety. Usually the motors that I open up, the ground get attached to the body, but this is the first time that I see a 3-wire cable, the ground doesn't get attached to the body itself. So the black and white goes to these two coils, and the ground get attached to the screw in here. Now please don't try this at home if you're not familiar with these electricity and stuff. I don't. So what I do is that I'm just gonna try it out, connect it. I'm not gonna even touch it. Use the proper equipment to check to see if it actually works or runs correctly. There's no short circuit or anything like that, but just want to share it with you. So please be careful and don't hurt yourself. And unfortunately this part is broken right in here, and that causes a problem, and that is I can't tighten this up completely. Perfect. Nice. Just the way I wanted it. Now I just have to put the tag. I didn't want to clean it up too much, just because you see the high power grinder that still had that red or orange kind of paint in it, so I didn't want to remove it, just keep it as original as possible. And another problem, I lost one of these pins or tags for this. Now I gotta go find it. Perfect. All right guys, so I'm done with this project. First I'm gonna start with the box itself. This one is old and was too dirty, and I'm not a professional at working with wood, so I just grinded, cleaned it, polished it, cleaned it, but as far as the inside goes, I couldn't remove this paper. I ended up taking a picture of it so I can maybe print another one later on, and I just cleaned the inside. I didn't want to damage it. This part I cleaned, but again it was way too dirty than what I was expecting it to. It took me a long time to get it to this level, and I just got over it because it's gonna get dirty again, so I'm just gonna keep it this way. Now as far as the motor goes, the grinder, this one is from the mid 1940s till early 50s, based on the research that I did. There's not much about it online, just on VintageMachinery.com. And as I was cleaning this, I lost the pins in here, and I messed it up bad, really bad. I just put this brass in here temporarily until I find one or buy one. This one runs at 17,000 RPM. It's very fast, but it doesn't have a really high torque, even though it says high power grinder, but it doesn't have that much torque. It will get the job done. Let me just show you how it works. And it's very smooth. I really like it. And I also, and at the beginning of the video, I said I'm gonna add a switch, which I should have done, but I forgot. So I'm gonna either add one later on to the wire here, or I'm just gonna get an external switch and plug it into this. But for now, I'm okay with it. Let me just show you how it works. It's really hard right now. It's powerful, but with too much pressure, you can hold it. With some other grinders that I have, you can't do this. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.